Earlier we have studied about concentration of solution, and we studied that concentration of a solution is the amount of solute present in given amount of solution. So a very number of ways by which we can express the concentration of a solution. So these ways are as first is normality and then formality. Out of these ways we will take first strength. Strength. What do you mean by strength? Strength is defined as the amount of solute in grams present in 1 liter of solution. Amount of solute, it is defined as the amount of solute in gram present in 1 liter of solution. We can say that strength will be equal to mass of solute divided by volume of solution in liter. Volume of solution in liter, and its unit will take the unit of mass of solute in gram and unit of volume of solution in liter. Therefore its units are gram liter inverse or gram per liter. Next one, mass percentage is equal to mass of a component divided by mass of a solution into 100 gram. Mass percentage, it is defined as the mass of a component in a given solution, mass of the component per 100 gram of the solution. Now we will take a question. Calculate mass percentage of benzene and carbon tetrachloride if 22 gram of benzene is dissolved in 122 gram of carbon tetrachloride. This question is taken from our NCERT textbook. So here mass of benzene is given and mass of carbon tetrachloride is given. The mass of both components are given. What we'll have to do? First of all, we will get the mass of solution. How will we get the mass of solution? When we add the mass of carbon tetrachloride and the mass of benzene, then we will get the mass of solution. And after putting the formula, we will get the mass percentage of each component, that is benzene and carbon tetrachloride. Let's go to the mass of benzene is 22 gram and mass of carbon tetrachloride is 122 gram. ठीक है, What will we have to find? We have to find the mass percentage of carbon tetrachloride and the mass percentage of benzene. First we have to calculate the mass of solution. Mass of solution will be equal to mass of benzene and mass of carbon tetrachloride in this question. Then we will get 22 plus 122, we will get 144. Now putting the formula, mass percentage is equal to mass of a component divided by mass of solution multiplied with 100. Then we get mass percentage of benzene is equal to 22 into 100 divided by 144. We will get after the solution 15.28%. From here, similarly, we calculate the mass percentage of carbon tetrachloride, 122 multiplied with 144 into 100. We will get 84.12%. Here we can check it, the mass percentage of carbon tetrachloride and mass percentage of benzene will be equal to 100 or reasonably less than 100.